To connect Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro into the application, first of all, you will have to open the Google Play Store and search for Galaxy wearable application. This is the brand and the only one application on other Android phones that you can use to let it work. And also another important tip, you have to enable Bluetooth on your phone. Now, we have to just open this application and we have to make sure that we are gonna close this case, and when this indicator lights up green, you will have to open it with both earbuds inside the case, click and hold this small button and wait for its behavior, so it's gonna start blinking like this. Now we can release. And now, by the way, keep that case opened, click on the start. Now select Buds 4 Pro from available devices list, and sometimes you will get some notifications that you will have to accept them one by one. And now we can just open this application. If it closed, like in my case, this is the problem that sometimes appears. You have to accept this first thing, and you can unselect actually this one and also this one, and click agree here, click next. And as you can see now, we are just successfully connected.